All right, so in the last video, we talked about the payroll liabilities associated with having employees, right? Now we're going to talk about the employer side of things. So an employer is responsible for 4 taxes. Okay, if they have employees, there's 4 taxes they are responsible for. They're responsible for performing a match of Social Security and Medicare. It's an exact match. They will also pay 6.2% of each employee's gross wages and 1.45% for Medicare. Okay. The other taxes they have is federal unemployment tax and state unemployment tax, abbreviated FUTA and SUTA, Federal Unemployment Tax Act, State Unemployment Tax Act. Those are also percentages, but the percentage varies. Okay, so in the problem, they have to give you either the amount or the percentage. There is no one uniform percentage as there was for Social Security and Medicare. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at an example. Going back to Susanna, her employer is Row Worldwide. So let's calculate their payroll taxes. They just have Susanna as their employee. They have to have Social Security match, Medicare, FUTA, and SUTA. And then we'll find out their total payroll responsibility or liabilities. All right. We've already calculated the Social Security and Medicare, right? So we don't need to do that again. Let's just go back. For Row, it was $277 and $64. All right. We are given the rates, 0.08%, and that's not a typo. It's a very small percentage, and then 5.4%. Okay, so that should give us 35.84. Oh, wait, that should say 0. It is a typo. That should say 0.8. Sorry about that. Let me change that. Still a small percent. And then 241.92. Add it all up, 620 and 48 cents. This is total, the employer's total payroll liability. Again, that's the calculation. The only way we record it is through a journal entry. So let's look at that journal entry. Your debit is to payroll tax expense. It's for the sum of all the individual payroll responsibilities. So 620 and 48 cents. And then these are all liabilities, Social Security payable, Medicare payable, etc. FUTA payable and SUTA payable. Just copy over all your calculations that you've done. Okay, and then an explanation. Here, payroll tax expense. Yay. Now you've learned the 2 journal entries that accompany payroll for an employer. We had 1 journal entry to record the employee pay and related deductions. And then you have 1 to record the employer side. Okay. You will have a practice problem on this. I encourage you to work through it and just make sure you have all the kinks ironed out before you try the Chapter 12 quiz. All right, good job.